How AI improves your hiring process. Use AI in recruitment. Recruiting the right talent can be time-consuming and overwhelming. But what if technology could help you work smarter? Let's dive into how AI in recruitment is transforming hiring processes worldwide. Artificial intelligence is already streamlining recruitment. AI tools can screen thousands of resumes in seconds, identifying top candidates, schedule interviews automatically, saving hours of manual work, even analyze personality traits and cultural fit. This frees up recruiters to focus on strategic decisions rather than repetitive tasks. So, what are the pros and cons of using AI in the hiring process? Pros: efficiency. AI speeds up hiring, saving time and money. Reduced bias. Properly programmed AI ensures decisions are based on data, not unconscious bias. Consistency. AI evaluates every candidate equally, ensuring fairness. Cons: lack of human touch. AI may miss traits like creativity or adaptability. Algorithmic bias. If training data is biased, results may be too. Implementation costs. Setting up AI systems requires investment. The takeaway? AI works best as a tool alongside human expertise. One major advantage of AI is its ability to reduce bias. By anonymizing resumes and focusing on skills, AI minimizes unconscious prejudice. But remember, AI is only as unbiased as the data it learns from. Regular audits are essential to keep the system fair and ethical. In summary, AI in recruitment offers speed, accuracy, and fairness, making it an invaluable tool for modern hiring. But AI alone isn't enough. The best results come when technology supports, rather than replaces, human judgment. Ready to take your hiring process to the next level? Embrace AI for talent acquisition today. You can use the MagicalAPI Resume Parser service. Go to www.magicalapi.com